Hello and welcome to Moving Violations. This is Russ LeBlanc, your NEC consultant for EC&M Magazine. So I was walking through this tunnel area and I spotted this rigid metal conduit completely rusted through. Look at that. You can see the conductors on the inside. This is severely corroded here, this raceway. Now, in corrosive locations like this, section 344.10b 1 requires the raceway to be protected by an approved corrosion protection method. Sometimes galvanization alone is enough, but in this case there's so much moisture constantly seeping in that I don't think that was quite enough. You can see how bad this section is completely rusted through right here. But if you look at the rigid PVC conduit directly above it, that is in pristine condition. So perhaps using a non-metallic wiring methods or conduit would have been the better option here.